Hello, everybody. I'm Leo.
And I'm Marie.
And Happy New Year. We are the Traveling Lovebirds.
Yep.
And it is New Year's Eve.
Yep.
Tomorrow is going to be New Year's Day. And we are going to give a little bit of a throwback video of all the things that we did. All that we did
Remind
for
you
2023.
Of all you appreciate all of you and staying with us and sticking with us, and we wanted to kind of do a year review and tell you a little bit more about the future of our channel, which is probably going to stay the same.
Pretty much. We really don't have any big plans yet because it's a little bit hard for us to make a plan so quick. We're usually spontaneous and we usually just go, because that's just the way we roll right now. But everything's going to be fun though. Yeah. We're going to have a good time, and it's going to be a good year for all of us. Yeah. And I hope it's a very good and happy and healthy. And lucky, and just anything that you want year.
All positive things
positive
at you.
Thoughts.
We had a great 2023, with a bunch of things that we did.
As I'm looking over at our beautiful tree that we have this year, and of course the Disney castle right next to it, we went artificial this year. It's really nice. It's a lot easier to clean up. And you want to know something? The lights change. They were built in. It made it so much easier for us. So we just wanted to share that with you too.
Some of the highlights was Lucy the elephant.
Oh my God, when Lucy! We did the rest areas from Jersey. We're from Jersey, so if you didn't know that already, we're from Jersey. So we did the rest areas. So they were named after New Jersey natives. Yeah. Of like John Bon Jovi and Celia Cruz.
Yeah. Frank Sinatra.
Yes, Frank Sinatra.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, there were so many. I think in the Bon Jovi rest area had a lot of. It showed and highlighted a lot of like Ray Liotta and everyone.
Yeah.
Like, oh, that's right. So.
A lot lot of people came from Jersey.
Judy Blume, the writer, that was a good one too.
You don't realize it, and that's from. You don't realize how much history is in your own state. Yeah. But anyway, then we had. I know a lot of you like our food reviews that we do.
We do too.
Yeah, we do too, and then plus our trips to Dollywood.
Well, Tennessee,
Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and Disney. We even stayed at the Contemporary, and we did club level for the first time.
That was new. That
was something really, really nice.
Yeah, we did Grand Floridian.
What a great experience, that was. And then we're pretty well known on the Amtrak. Everybody knows us on Amtrak, so we've been, because it's just so. It's so nice. It's just
so relaxing.
A lot of people comment and said it needs to be upgraded a little bit, but you know what? It's a train, and how I look at it is it just relieves a lot of the pressure on the driver, because Marie doesn't drive as much. She doesn't like to drive next to the trucks and stuff like that when we go down to Florida and everywhere. So I do most of the driving, and it's just so much. And then you get to talk to people. We met so many different people too.
Yeah. We always do.
And then we can't forget the St. Patty's Day Parade, the Easter, all that on the boardwalk. Wait till you see it. So we put together a real nice thing for you guys.
So May we did.
Yeah.
The lighthouse.
The lighthouse. We didn't do Smithville.
Try and do.
Not this year.
We went to Smithville, but we didn't do.
Yeah.
We didn't vlog over there, but we did a lot in Tennessee again.
Yeah, we did that. So we're going to put together a little...
polar bear plunge. Yeah, we did a lot in Seaside.
Yeah, the polar bear plunge too. So we're going to put together a little bit of a montage, I guess you could call it.
A year review.
Of 2023. And I really, really hope you guys enjoy it. And I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to our channel. It doesn't cost anything, like I always say. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, because every time you turn around, it's a subscription, $9.99 for this and that and everything else. Yeah. But there's no cost. So, and giving us a thumbs up.
When Leo sees a new subscriber, he says, "What a day!"
Yeah, yeah. And but it really helps our channel. and it helps us to progress and get out there more and do
Give you
more
more
stuff,
content for
and to
you.
see what you
Which we
guys
love.
like, you know, and
yeah, like as far as next year, we're definitely doing Disney.
yeah,
Yeah,
and we're probably gonna do.
Yeah, we're annual pass holders.
Well,
so we
even
go
for
there.
Dollywood too, we're annual pass holders now.
Yeah.
So
we'll
she
be in
opened up
Tennessee.
that new
Yeah,
resort,
I
so
wanna get there.
we're gonna probably get there. Don't know when, but we're gonna do it.
We actually booked it.
See, that's what I'm spontaneous.
March, I think when my daughter's on break, spring break, she wants to go.
Oh, there you
Now
go.
there's a new opening. After because they close from January
Yeah,
6th to like
2 months or
March,
something.
yeah,
They close.
so.
She closes. So, but it was. I'm so happy that we stumbled upon Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
Because it's just an additional thing that. You know, it was just, we love it there also. And it's just so nice. We met so many people. We met vloggers there.
Yeah.
You know, that it's
Yeah,
just.
we watched. They have the YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, like,
And we learned off of them because
Yeah.
we saw, that's how we found out about there. I mean, so we.
yeah, like
you know,
Jane B in the Hills
Yeah.
and
Yankees in the South.
Yeah, well, just everybody. That's one thing about the YouTube community. Everybody's so nice to each other.
It's the YouTube
It
fam.
really
It's
is.
the YouTube fam. So we got to keep it together. We
Yeah.
got to stay together.
Yeah.
And I want to wish everybody a happy New Year.
Thank you.
God
again.
bless. And thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. And you can even share this video if you like. And here we go.
Review.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. You know me so well, and nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Fall in love. Just wanna fall in love.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. You can't see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your family round, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire, and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming our way. Reindeer fly. You can't see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your friends around, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming our way.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home, there's no better place. Waking up on Christmas Day, tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street, presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire, bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day, tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street, presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire, bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing.
What do you think?
Else is the same. Waking up on Christmas
That's all that
Day.
matters.
Waking up on Christmas Day.